You like that swing?
Who got her this swing?
Mabel, Ontario. She's in California. She's in our Facebook. We can show this to her.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. There's the smile.
Move that orange thing, hun. Make a sound. No, make some sound. Hey, oh. She's still getting used to it.
And I think it's automatically on a timer for 15 minutes and it will shut off.
Yeah. So like about the time the baby sleeps.
Yeah.
I think she's making a fuss because she's still not full. I can feed her.
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy assembled that for you, right?
Well, you got that one glove off already. How did you do that? How did you do that? Daddy's going to get some duct tape to put those gloves on. So we have a hard time to get them off. Now she's more okay with it.
Okay.
So are you enjoying your little ride? Is it kind of like an airplane? It's a swing.
Just keep on eating her gloves.
Oh, that's a nice melody.
Here, and hold this, son. I want to be in the video too. And you can zoom it up. This one.
You can do what?
This one you can zoom.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Still making a fuss. Okay, learning to zoom.
I'm trying to. Don't want to do anything when I push it.
Move it this way. Hold it. Yeah, you're working on it. Move more. See? It's zoomed.
Okay.
Ew. Oop. You don't like it. See, Daddy. Look, Daddy. She's hungry. Oh, she's not. Oh, no, she's not.
Okay, that's probably enough.
Yeah, it's low bat too. You can turn it off.